Welcome to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. After a handful of blunders, Sony Pictures has over again installed itself as an effective participant within the realm of a comedian ebook movies within a range of latest hits to its call. In collaboration with Marvel Studios, the employer has restored the Spider-Man movie franchise from its former glory, with the latest rumor suggesting that Andrew Garfield and Tobey Maguire might be returning soon. Meanwhile, Sony is forging in advance with their very own adjoining cinematic universe, populated through conventional Spidey villains, which were given off to a sturdy begin with Tom Hardy's field workplace juggernaut Venom. The task sparked plenty of online chatter with its fascinating teaser trailer at the beginning of the year, which appeared to signify a greater direct connection to the MCU than maximum enthusiasts has predicted to see. Since then, Morbius has been hit with a chief put off because of the coronavirus pandemic. However, we are just now a few months far from its new launch date. Morbius at the beginning had its launch set for 31st July 2020 in each of United Kingdom and United States, however became one in many movies not to be on time and right away result of the coronavirus pandemic. Currently, the movie is predicted to reach cinemas on the 19th of March 2021. Even though it's viable, this will be driven lower back once again, relying on the cutting edge of COVID-19 developments. The film commenced in England on the give-up of February 2019, with Leto marking the beginning of manufacturing with a Twitter put-up of every week on Clapperboard. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. Jared Leto, regarded for his Oscar-triumphing overall performance in Dallas Buyers Club and at 30 Seconds to Mars, Fortman is gambling the titular Morbius, created in 1971 through Roy Thomas and Jill Kane. Going through the call of Michael Morbius, the Nobel Prize-triumphing biochemist attempted to therapy his very own blood sickness, however, as an alternative, grew to become himself right into pseudo-vampire and Superman abilities. He commenced out as a villain within the comics earlier, then morphing into a greater of an anti-hero. Morbius isn't always latest first foray into superheroes movies. However, his plenty hyper Joker seemed to 2016 Suicide Squad. However, regardless of his business success, the movie garnered poor opinions and Leto isn't always predicted to go back for the sequel. Matt Smith joins him in Morbius, gambling Loxias Crown, the movie's villain, and Morbius' first-class buddy who suffers from identical blood disease. Also performing is Jared Harris as Morbius' mentor, Adria Arjona, because the movie's foremost love interest, and Tyrese Gibson as an FBI agent looking to seek out the so known as dwelling vampire. And in something of a wonderful movie, Michael Keaton becomes shown to be making a look within the movie after postponing within the teaser trailer. It's but to be shown whether or not he'll be reprising his Spider-Man function as Vulture. However, there's a sturdy possibility. Based on the trailer, it seems like we'll be seeing a completely darkish take at the superhero genre. In teaser, we meet Michael Morbius Leto as he tries to combat an extraordinary blood condition, going to this point as to test with bat DNA in a try to therapy himself, which transforms him into a vampire life form. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For more box office, web series, reviews, news, and update, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com. And if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends to stay updated. Please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.